Warning: Somerset is being warned to expect high winds, particularly in coastal areas. Get the latest local news straight to your inbox every day. Somerset is bracing itself for strong winds as the ophelia hurricane strikes UK shores. The Met Office is warning of strong winds in association with Ophelia, despite the storm being downgraded from a hurricane, particularly towards the coast, bringing travel disruption and big waves. A forecaster said the southerly winds will strengthen through the day, particularly over the hills and towards coasts, with damaging wind gusts. These are likely to bring travel disruption and lead to big waves. Temperatures would remain unseasonably high, he added, reaching around 19°C. Read more. Click here for a full forecast. The strong winds would begin to subside during the evening and overnight, the forecasters said. It will remain dry overnight as winds gradually begin to ease through the early hours, he said. Clear spells will develop, but temperatures should hold up into double digits. Minimum temperature